All right, guys. I got a cool thing we're gonna try doing. We're gonna do a little hot spring series that here in Utah that you think you're gonna enjoy. So first off, my wife hasn't been to pretty much any of these, so I'm gonna take her down to what we call Saratoga Hot Springs today. So if all goes out well, you'll see a great drone footage and cool things. We'll tell you how we get there, things like that. So come along with us, and we'll catch up with you shortly. We have this little parking lot right here. In the summertime, there's restrooms open, but they're closed till April, and open and closed in October. So you take this little pathway down here. That is the Utah Lake, but right now we just kind of got this pathway that we're gonna stroll on down to the hot springs. So it's been a couple years since I've been here, and the development around here is growing. So, yay.
First hot springs, I would say it was a 8 out of 10.
Okay. All right.
It felt really good. We're having a good time. It was raining, and that made it a lot more fun. Unfortunately, this one kid just wouldn't catch the hint that we wanted to be alone, and just kept hanging around us. So I think that's what made it drop a star.
Yeah.
But we had a great time. Thanks for joining us on this one, and we'll see you in the next one.